Uber driver bank account. Hey guys, Leonardo Paiva here with another video. In this video, you'll learn how to change, add, or edit your Uber driver bank account. Before we start, please subscribe to my channel for more helpful tutorials. It's easy to add or edit your bank account in Uber driver to receive your earnings. I'll click on the app to open it, then tap these three lines at the top. Next, I'll select the account option. In the account section, click on Earnings Transfer. If you don't have a bank account yet, you'll need to add one. I'm editing an account I previously added as I've switched banks. So I'll tap on the bank account. Then I'll click Edit. It asks for facial confirmation, so I'll take a selfie. I'll click Continue. I'll frame my face in the outline. Confirmed. In Edit Bank Account, select the bank you want to add, edit, or change to. I'm switching from Santander to Nubank. I'll enter my branch number and account number. Then click Send at the bottom. Done. Bank account successfully changed. Any questions? Leave them in the comments below. Subscribe for more tutorial videos. That's all for now. Take care. God bless. Thanks.